Here's a quick video about a demolition site after 3 buildings were torn down here. Machinery there, doing all their work. A hotel is going to go here. If you look at photos of this area here, D Street in the capital New Zealand, there used to be a white and light blue building on the corner there. There used to be another building there, and way over there, next to that white building over there, there used to be a library there. That's gone now, as you can see. Poor building. My dad remembers being at that library, so I asked him about it, but in the late 1980s, the library moved here. So that library over there just sat there until it was demolished in 2017. No idea what they're going to do about these buildings, but it's just these buildings on this block that were demolished. Oh, that block over there, in the distance over there, that will go and undergo a big demolition, so stay tuned for videos there.